With the National Geographic Power Rocket, kids will have a blast! With the Power Rocket, there are 3 flight modes that let kids choose how long the Power Rocket flies. This rechargeable rocket soars up to 200 feet and provides up to 20 launches on a single charge. And the propeller landing system brings it safely back to the ground every time. Kids also get 3 decal sets to customize their rocket. Take fun to new heights with the National Geographic Power Rocket. And when you buy a National Geographic product, your purchase has purpose by helping scientists, educators, and explorers around the world. National Geographic Amazing Reactions Chemistry Set make bubbling, foaming, color-changing solutions and more. You'll get everything you need to make a glowing test tube, fizzy mixtures, gooey worms, and all sorts of color-changing solutions. Our guide makes conducting experiments easy and fun, and a bonus guide contains additional experiments to try. The National Geographic Amazing Reactions Chemistry Set is an unforgettable way to inspire a lifelong love of science. And when you buy a National Geographic product, your purchase has purpose by helping scientists, educators, and explorers around the world.